Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the Custom Knife Factory Knives Chimera here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at that? We've got, of course, the knife inside this classic Custom Knife Factory pouch. You've got your card of like certificate of authenticity, of course, like the red microfiber cloth, and as usual, you've got all the extra hardware here, guys. It's fantastic. You've got the bearings, the stainless steel lock face insert, all the screws, the stud. I mean, you're just missing the pocket clip, but hey, that's a pretty cool thing indeed. And here you have your frame lock. This is the Chimera. It's a beast of a knife. Overall length is gonna be 8.6 inches. Or around 22 centimeters with a blade length of 3.75 inches, or I would say like 9.5 inch long cutting edge, and the handle is going to be 5 inches or like 12.5 centimeters. This is a very interesting knife designed by Danila Marecek. It's a titanium frame lock. It has like a nice touch going on over here. That's, I believe this is zircon tie, pocket clip. It's dark or dark tie. I mean, and look at this. I mean, that's pretty cool. That's the same finish as the Rotten Design Evo has on the back. Shredded carbon fiber scale, absolutely flush hardware, CKF logo, Marecek right here in the back. This is the Chimera M390 steel, number 28. It's a limited edition dual tone blade finish, stone washed on the flats, and you can see the belt grind lines here in the primary bevel and in the swedge. Beautiful decoration going on the spine. I mean, lots of things going on in this one. Action is just stellar. You have a hidden lanyard option here. I believe this is zirconium backspacer, titanium liners, titanium frame lock, and you have a stainless steel lock face insert. I mean, lots of things are going on. The pivot here is pretty cool, nice and clean. It's on the back, screwed on the outside. Tip-up carry only, pocket clip. But hey, if you want to know more, make sure you check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.